Magandang hapon po. Ngayon po ay February 23, 2026 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng February 23, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, February 23, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM the result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for February 23, 2026, Monday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, February 23, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for February 23, 2026, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.